At this time, everyone is so busy doing their own things. So I just have to go and sit on that shade a little bit. This small restaurant, so I can be, licking my ice cream and get maybe a bottle of water. Oopsie. And here we are. Let me sit here. Relax, gentleman, okay? Relax, gentleman, okay? It's not your time to feed, it's mommy's time to feed, okay? For now, just enjoy the view over there on the road, okay? Yes. Relax, gentleman, it's not your time to eat, it's mommy's time to lick the ice cream, okay? For now, just enjoy the view over there on the road as mommy takes her ice cream. Remember, ladies first always, yeah? Ladies first, you better be a gentle boy. Yes, you better be a gentleman, yeah? Ladies first in everything. So mommy first, okay? mommy first to lick her ice cream. And then you later, okay? Yes. Be a gentleman, yeah? This gentleman is not gentlemaning at all. Why are you not gentlemaning? Be a gentleman, okay? Why are you not gentlemaning? Come on here. How about like this? So you can have that beautiful view. How about like that? You love it? You always gentleman, it's not gentlemaning at all. So I have to go home and eat my ice cream at home instead of being out here. So you all, this my gentleman is not gentlemaning at all. I'll have to go home and lick my ice cream at home instead of sitting here. You don't want to be a gentleman? No. You are just a baby, aren't you? You are just 8 weeks today, yeah? Okay, so you don't want to be a gentleman. All right, let me close up my ice cream and then we go.